Ever notice your dog sneezing during playtime? It's not allergies, it's communication. When dogs sneeze while they're playing, they're actually talking, not sneezing from dust. It's called a play sneeze. And it's their way of saying, hey, I'm just having fun. It helps other dogs know it's friendly play, not a real fight. Even solo dogs might sneeze to show excitement or burn off energy. So that playful at you? Totally normal and kinda cute. Has your pup ever play sneezed mid-wrestle or fetch? Comment sneezy pup if they do it all the time. Follow Dog Health Now for more fun and surprising dog behavior facts.